All right, so here's exactly how you can make $100 a day trading Forex, even if you're a beginner. So who am I? My name is Travoy. I've been trading now Forex and indices and commodities for over about 6+ years, maybe 7. So definitely have some experience winning, but most importantly, have experiencing and losing. One of the key things I'll tell you straight up is one guy said, this famous trader who's worth millions, he said, all I bring to the table is 28 years of mistakes. And that's how this game actually works, is it's all about learning to learn from your mistakes, or in your case, learning to learn from me so you don't have to make those same mistakes. So now we got to break some common misconceptions, is that you need a lot of money to make money. No, not necessarily. Really what you need is a strategy, some experience, and you can borrow that experience, like me, for example, because I've had over 7-8 years of experience, and the right mindset. And mindset, all that is just beliefs. So we get started. So you could start with as little as with 10, 20, $30 in a Forex account. Doesn't matter. Obviously, the more money you have, the better, right? So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a broker account. You're going to need a broker account. That's step one. I'm not going to show you how to get that. However, I may have a link in the description of a broker. So you're going to need a broker. Step two, you're going to need MetaTrader 5. You can trade from your phone. You can trade from your PC. And then 3, you just got to have to choose a market. So I decided to choose AUDJPY because this is the trade that I actually took last night. I took it on my laptop, but I'm going to show you on my phone just how I break down a trade. Now, this is very, very simple. As you can see here at the top right corner, it says AUDJPY. You're trading on your phone. It's going to give you a list of currencies. Right here you have Euro USD. Right? You have gold, XAU USD, and then AUDJPY. This is mainly the ones that I trade if I'm not trading indices. But AUDJPY, why did I choose this? It's because I took some trades on this last week, and as you can see, the trend has just been going down. So here is a very, very, very simple way to make money trading, is to just follow the trend. This is really important. Sometimes trading is so simple, but we make it difficult, okay? And I'm speaking to the people that have even been trading a little bit. A trend following system. So when I got in on this trade actually last night, it was probably around this area. I took 2 trades. I took a sell trade and a buy trade. So I got in around this area. I like to start from the daily time frame so you can kind of get a bird's eye view of what's going on. So I took the trade sell this area. Why did I take the trade sell? Well, because it's trending downwards. So turn this to the side, scroll out just a little bit. We can see here that it's coming all the way down, and we have all this space to the left. Now, I knew it was going to keep pushing down to these zones here. Why? Because in this area we have something called consolidation to the left, which could be support or could be demand zones all the way to the left. So from my personal experience, I never try to go against the trend, ever. I just will take, even if it looks like it's oversold or overbought, which means if it looks like it's gone up too far or gone down too far, I will continue to go with the trend until I get verifiable evidence that we're going to have a change in direction. This is really important. So this will save you some money, hundreds if not thousands of dollars. Don't try to identify tops and bottoms. Do not try to identify tops and bottoms, okay, at all. So on this, I took the sell here all the way down to this level here, and then I took a buy. It's very simple. I just call it the trend following system. If you see it's going down, press the sell. On this one, I actually did a 0.10, and then I did a 0.05 on the buy. So that is a strategy, guys. I would show you on but I don't have, I didn't take the trade on my phone. I took it on my laptop. But I can show you my trade history. I made about $180 last night. It was pretty simple. But just kind of some steps to help you guys out. Start on the daily to see where the overall trend, it's obvious. Even if you know nothing about trading, it's going downwards. Then I like to scroll down to the 4 hour and then eventually get to the hour just to determine. Then you look at candlestick patterns. Okay? So on this, if you want to make $100 a day, I would start on, you could start with $100. Put $100 in the market, do a 0.05 or a 0.10. First of all, you got to be okay if you lose, all right? No fear, and that just takes experience. And then just find a trend, and then just, like this one, just take the sell. Now, usually I'll take 20 if it's 20 to 30% profit, then I'll usually take some type of profit. If it's in 20 to 30%, I'll take some type of profit. On this one, I let it run a little bit because I put a stop loss in. If you don't know any of these terms, you can look it up, or just I'm going to make some other videos explaining all this. But the main purpose of this is to say that anybody can make $100 a day trading. It's really about, if you keep it simple, it's risk management and it's following a trend. Now, some people will say that you need 1 to 3%. That's how much you should risk. I think you'll be trading. You won't make any serious money if you do that, unless you have like a $1 million account, right? Then you're getting 1% of a million is what, $10,000. So $10,000 a year, risking $10,000 to make potentially $30,000 to $40,000. But most people, majority of the population, don't have $1 million account or even a $100,000 account. So we got to get it out the mud, starting with the small accounts. So we're going to keep this real simple, like I said. Let's see. Follow the trend all the way down, guys. How do you know when it stops? I'm going to show you right here. Go to the higher time frames. Everything's on the higher time frames. You can see here that it's going to hit some consolidation on the left. You could see it. We call it market scars. Again, market scars to the left, where price either hit a supply zone, went past that and made a demand, or vice versa, or support and resistance, however you want to say it. And it's going to go all the way down. It could go all the way down to this area here, to be honest with you. All the way down here. Eventually, it's going to retrace back up because this is where the support is. This is what we call support. Right here. Let me see if I can make something a little better. Yeah. Right here. Actually, no. Right here, for example. These little key things here. Let's see. Right here. There we go. I'm using my phone. It's a little challenging, guys. This right here, these arrows that I'm pointing at right now are showing you levels of support. Okay, this is the lower levels. You even got some here. Right here. And then, let's see here. Right here. And you can tell the price, which is the 93.52. You can tell that is hitting this mark right here. And it could push down to this level and then possibly into these levels here. All right. So it will make a rejection. It will make a rejection on this area here. That's my guess. I could show you here. Probably on this level here, you could tell it even went further. Probably on this level here, and then it's going to bounce back. Okay? But trading is inherently very, very simple. I recommend, I may have it in the description, I recommend a book called Market Wizards. If you never read that book, I recommend that. And then also, too, Market Wizards, listen to trading podcasts as well. And then I'm going to make some more videos coming out. But most importantly, guys, trading is really simple. Just follow the trend. Literally just follow the trend. Right? That's it. You ride the wave. If you're a gambler, there's no difference. It's the same thing. You ride the wave. Whether you're playing the tables, blackjack, slots, it doesn't matter. This is all the same. A lot of traders don't like to admit that, but I'll tell you. So all I did was just take this trend all the way down. Made about $100. Had a trade overnight. Took the buy because I knew I had to reject at some point. Made another $80 in the morning. I mean, this shit it's really simple. So first step, get a broker. Second step, download MetaTrader 5 for your PC or your phone. Okay. Third step, deposit some money into the broker and then just start trading. Just start trading. Follow the trend, and that's it. So hopefully this helped. Any questions, leave below. Anything you want to know, leave below in the comments, and I can make some more videos, more detailed. This is kind of just an on-the-fly video. Literally just sitting in my little, I guess you could say, playroom with a pool table, hanging out, and thought I'd make a video real quick. So hopefully this helped, guys.